Okay. Does everybody say live?
Yes. Yep.
Okay, great. So, before you guys, here, I'll scoot in front of my window. Before you guys got on, Lucy and I were kind of talking about different sections of the paper that we would be interested in, and we also were talking about how we're like 2 weeks ahead because we didn't. I don't know. I mean, I'd rather be ahead, so that's a good thing. But anyway, so our outline is done, and it's not due till like way later.
Well, it's not due till Module 5, which is
right. So next
Sunday, yeah.
So
last week, and I messaged you guys that because when I turned it in, it said Module 5. I was like, what in the world? So yeah, which was fine with me. I just turned it in. But were you guys able to see the grade? I wasn't sure.
I haven't seen it yet, honestly.
Because it comes up, because I turned it in, but when I turn it in, it says you're turning this in for the whole group, and you have to click OK. And but then like I get notifications. I don't know if you guys get those when your stuff is graded.
Yep.
But we got 10 out of 10 on it.
Oh, great!
Yeah. I think it's on there.
Great.
I think it's on Blackboard.
So we are solid on that. So I think technically, as far as like things that need to be turned in for this module and for the next module, other than our planning logs, we're good. So that's
good.
Yeah.
But anyway, so we had just kind of talked about how since we have the drive, and I don't know how you guys write papers, but both Lucy and I have said that we will kind of almost make like headings for ourselves and be like intro, point 1, point 2, point 3, whatever, conclusion, to make sure that we hit all the things in the rubric. So we were thinking that perhaps on the drive we could like highlight each of those sections or like underline them or something just so they look different. And then if anybody is like has an hour and they notice, oh look, this is underlined, they can just start tackling that. So I don't know how you feel about that. Okay, because it's like I said, we're ahead, so we might as well just keep going and stay ahead.
Yeah.
Done.
Because we are on the first week anyway.
Exactly. Exactly. And I know. Does there have to be another video between this one and the last, like the discussion, debate, whatever, or is this going to be like the last video?
I think that we have to have a meeting that Dr. Kim is invited to, and she is here like this talking with us before we go to do our debate, just so that she can okay what we're going to do is what we're supposed to be doing, I think.
Okay. Okay, well, I guess that would probably be what, like a couple modules out anyway?
Well, are we due in module 9 or 7?
10.
Remember now.
10.
10, yeah.
Oh, 10. Okay, good.
Yeah.
I was thinking, oh my gosh, is it 7? That's just 2 weeks away.
Oh, okay. No, we're way.
So, yeah, like a few,
okay.
Yeah, I would say like next week, like for the next 3 weeks, probably we can just text like we did last week, unless there's something that says you have to turn in a link like there was today. I didn't even see that it said that. I'm glad you caught that, Catherine. But I'm okay with just texting like we did last week, just to make sure we're on target with the paper.
That sounds good.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Okay, perfect. So I guess I know, Sarah, you'll be on top of the logs, so you can do those. And I'll go ahead and go into the drive and just make a couple headings based on the rubric, and if you guys see that I missed anything, just fill it in. Okay. And then I guess, like you said, just for the next 3 weeks, we can just go get at it, just get it going and hopefully get it done. And I don't know about you guys, but I actually searched SPCE 619 on YouTube just to see like what other previous classes have done. Yeah. And as far as the debate goes, it doesn't look that bad. We pretty much just like type up what we want to talk about, and we each like take a section of the paper and talk about it. So it seems really easy. So I guess
I'm terrified. I'm like, what? I have to do a debate? This
if you search it on YouTube, because that's all I did. I just did SPCE 619. And there's tons of videos available, and I just kind of compared like what we were doing and how it'll go in with the paper, and it doesn't seem like it'll be bad at all.
Okay,
so
good.
Hopefully.
There's only 4 of us. I feel like, gosh, we're kind of getting gypped out of 2 people.
I know. It was crazy. I know, because one video had, like, you know how you can see the faces on the bottom? One was, like, 3 times as long as ours, I felt like. And I was like, oh. So,
that is crazy. Okay.
yeah, so
wow.
the groups were big, but I'm impressed that we've gotten as far as we have with just the 4 of us. I think
Yeah,
we're doing a good job.
definitely.
Yeah. Cool.
So anyway, I guess, I mean, unless you guys had anything else, this was just going to be a short one anyway because we're super far ahead. But
Yeah.
Great.
Yeah, sounds good.
okay, cool. Well, I will go ahead. I'll stop this, and then it should load up to YouTube in about 15 minutes. And then, Sarah, I can look for it and email it to you, and then we'll be done.
Perfect.
And I will turn the login for today.
Okay.
Okay.
Awesome.
Sarah.
Guys.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.